Hi dolls, welcome back to my channel. Today is another exciting video. Today we're doing a cut crease that is a peach cut crease, and this is how it looked like after I was done, and I was really happy with my results. So I already did my eyebrows off camera to save a little time, and now I'm just going to prime my eyelids with e.l.f. eyelid primer, and I'm just gonna rub that all around my eyelids. Now this is a very important step because it helps your eyeshadow stay longer, and also it avoids your eyeshadow from creasing. For my eyeshadows, I'm going to show you the colors I used. I used those two browns for my base and a little bit of red, and then I used those two colors of peach and a glitter like white for that look. So I'm going to start my base with the two brown colors of the eyeshadow I showed you earlier, just to make the rest of the eyeshadow blending easier. And now I'm just going in with my spoolie brush tail with black eyeshadow to kind of just mark of how far I want my cut crease to be. And now after that is done, I'm just going to go back with the eyeshadow brush that I used for my base just to ease up the harsh line of the black eyeshadow. And now I'm going in with my Pro Artist concealer palette just to make that arc of my cut crease. And now I'm just going in with the deep pink peach eyeshadow color in the outer sides of my eyelids, heading towards the middle. And then in the middle, I am going to add the lighter peach pink eyeshadow. And I'm going to add the glitter kind of white eyeshadow in the inner sides of my eyelids. And I'm just going to blend all that. And I'm not using any expensive eyelid brushes. I'm just using regular no-name eyeshadow brushes. And they worked fine for me. When I was done on that side, I did the exact same process on the other eye. And after I was done, I used two types of eyeliner. I used LA Colors liquid eyeliner, and I also used a Maybelline New York Master Precise eyeliner. So I did my lashes off camera to save a lot of time. Y'all know how much of a pain eyelashes could be sometimes, so I did them off camera. And now I'm just using my Clinique mascara just to blend my real lashes and my fake lashes together. Now I'm just using my Mabelline Fit Me foundation, and I'm using this 360 mocha, and I really love how this just blends my skin tone together. And now I'm just going in with my Pro Artist Concealer palette, and I'm going to conceal my face. And now I'm just going to use my L'Oreal Inflammable Setting Spray. Just spray a little on my beauty blender and blend away. This process kind of helps your concealer stay in place longer. And now I'm just using my Hard Candy Sheer Envy setting powder to set my face. And now I'm just gonna contour the inner sides of my cheekbones, and I'm using LA Girl Pro Concealer HD Concealer in the shade Mahogany. Now I'm just gonna seal that around. Now while I wait for my face to bake, I'm gonna apply my lip liner, and I'm using the Maybelline New York Super Stay Matte Ink, and this is a new collection that they just released. I'm using two colors. I'm using 35, number 35, which is Creator, for my outer lips, and I'm using 100, which is Philosopher, for my inner lips to create the beautiful ombre look that I was going for. And now I'm just gonna brush away the excess powder that I don't need. And then I'm going to go in with my Clinique foundation powder. That's going to help tone down the brightness of the baking powder that I used. For my cheekbones, I'm using LA Colors in the shade Blush. And for my highlighters, I'm using Live Long and Sparkle highlighter. This is how the look turned out. I was really happy with it, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please do not forget to subscribe, share, like, and leave a comment. If you have not subscribed, press that button so you don't miss anything from me.